Hello and welcome back. If you're joining us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. This way, you'll stay updated with our weekly insights designed to help you navigate the world of finance. Welcome to the ultimate guide to unlocking your financial freedom. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 unbreakable rules of money mastery that you need to know to transform your financial future. Whether you're dreaming of financial independence or seeking a path to wealth, these rules will elevate your money game. We'll not only reveal the secrets to money mastery, but also share 2 exclusive bonuses that you don't want to miss. 5 key takeaways to summarize the essentials and 1 practical tip and examples to implement right away. Make sure you watch until the end to get the full scoop on how to take control of your finances and achieve the financial freedom you've always desired. Let's get started. What if you could handle your money so well that financial worry became a thing of the past? Welcome to our deep dive into financial education, or as it's better known, financial literacy. Today, you'll learn not just to manage, but to master your finances. Financial education, or financial literacy, equips you with the essential skills and knowledge for making informed financial decisions. It's crucial for advancing in life and achieving your personal and financial goals. Financial independence means reaching a stage in life where you're not reliant on a job or company you dislike for money. But I don't know if you have heard of it. There's also another concept called financial confidence, which differs from financial freedom. The basic difference between them is that while some people work or study to have money and then have financial independence, most of the time they go after studies for financial literacy in order to understand the money management principles: budgeting, investing, saving. Financial confidence goes a step further. It's about trusting in your abilities to use these principles to create and maintain wealth. Contrary to popular belief, money isn't scarce. The world is flush with financial opportunities, but only those equipped with the right skills and knowledge can tap into these resources. Think of money as a game with rules that you need to master. Today, I'll share some pivotal rules of money that will transform your financial perspective and elevate your financial game to levels you've never experienced, provided you're committed and eager to learn. Before I start, let's debunk 2 common myths about money. You need to be rich to start investing, and all debt is bad. Money is not rare, but the knowledge to manage it effectively is. Imagine money as a code you can crack with the right skills. Are you ready? I hope so, because that is why you are watching this video. Grab a pen and paper and listen carefully. I'll equip you with 5 transformative rules that will change your financial perspective and behavior. Consider this. While invaluable financial knowledge is just a few clicks away, many still wander through their financial life without direction. Take Jane, for instance, who earns a decent salary but lets impulse purchases drain her bank account every month. It's easy to be like Jane, bogged down by poor financial choices. But with the right mindset and habits, financial prosperity isn't just for the lucky few. But don't get me wrong, most videos and influencers may say that you should only listen to those who are financially successful and financially literate. Although it makes sense, it can be misleading. Why? Because financial success does not always correlate with the ability to teach or give sound financial advice. Moreover, financially successful individuals might have had advantages or opportunities not available to everyone, which could distort their advice. On the other hand, did you know most people who receive sudden wealth, like lottery winners, find themselves broke within years? It's not the money they lack, but the financial knowledge to keep and grow it. What is my point then? Financial advice should be evaluated critically, considering diverse strategies and ethical implications. Recognizing that financial success does not automatically equate to sound teaching or advice suitability for everyone. And why do so many neglect financial education? Often, it's because of inherent beliefs like money is evil or rich people are greedy. These ideas can keep you from exploring how to manage and grow your wealth effectively. To break these chains, you must start seeing yourself as deserving of financial success. Imagine your future self as financially savvy and secure. This vision isn't just daydreaming, it's an essential step towards true financial empowerment. So, ready to start by disassembling some conventional wisdom that will only keep you stuck. One conventional wisdom reason. This one, you have to be cautious. First, because most people tell you to ignore it, since it usually tends to give you the idea of a scarcity mindset. That might lead to overly conservative financial behaviors that inhibit wealth creation. But think about it. Conventional wisdom, such as money doesn't grow on trees, often serves as cautionary advice to promote responsible financial behavior. While it can be limiting, it also prevents reckless financial decisions. It's crucial to strike a balance between cautious financial planning and bold financial moves. The benefits of conventional wisdom is good because it encourages open-mindedness to diverse financial strategies and critical evaluation of all financial advice, regardless of the source. Imagine if someone told you that saving money and being careful with it is always the best choice. Well, that's what a lot of people believe, but it's not always true. Just like when we learn to ride a bike or ski, we need someone who really knows how to do it to teach us the right way. It's the same with money. Some people say debt is always bad, but actually, it can be okay if you use it smartly, like investing in something that will grow over time. It's important to listen to advice from people who really understand money and have made good choices with it, rather than just following old sayings that might hold us back. Now, the second thing I want you to reconsider is your position. Are you comfortable where you are right now? Do you enjoy what you do? Are you happy with your money status? A second reason why some people do not get rich is because they are afraid of leaving their comfortable zone. The zone of knowledge, the zone of influence, the zone of what is known. You got the picture? Not only that, but for some people, sadly saying it, they can't imagine them rich. Their self-esteem is so low that they do not allow themselves, and they do not see themselves as a very successful person. So, having a positive self-image and believing in one's potential can influence behavior and encourage actions that lead to financial success. Confidence often pushes individuals to take calculated risks, seize opportunities, and persist through challenges. Financial growth often requires stepping outside of one's comfort zone, such as investing, starting a business, or seeking career advancements. A strong belief in one's ability to succeed can motivate individuals to take these bold steps. Think about starting a business with hardly any cash in hand. It's pretty daunting, right? Often the first big hurdle is securing a loan, which means taking on debt. It's a major step outside most people's comfort zones. But that's just the kind of risk necessary for big financial leaps. Charisma and confidence, these are crucial. Without confidence, you're going to hesitate and miss opportunities. It's all about pushing past those initial fears and doubts. Before we can even look at financial strategies, there's a lot of personal groundwork to do in terms of risk-taking and handling setbacks. Confidence is your best ally here. It gives you the grit to face challenges and perform under pressure. But keep in mind that it should be tempered with a realistic assessment of one's skills and situation. Overconfidence can lead to risky financial decisions that might not be sustainable. Confidence should be tempered with preparation and strategic planning. It requires a realistic assessment of risks and opportunities, along with continuous learning and adaptability. Now, here is the review of the 5 takeaways to get financial freedom. 1. Invest in financial education. Understanding personal finance is crucial for building confidence in managing your money. Read books, take online courses, and follow reputable financial experts. Building this foundational knowledge will make you more confident in making financial decisions, whether it's budgeting, investing, or understanding credit. Action step: dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to financial education, such as reading articles, listening to podcasts, or watching educational videos. Here are some names. Investopedia offers a comprehensive range of articles on personal finance, investing, and financial terms. Their tutorials and educational videos are particularly useful for building foundational knowledge. NerdWallet provides consumer-friendly advice on various financial topics such as budgeting, investing, and credit cards. They also offer tools like mortgage calculators and credit score trackers. The Balance covers personal finance topics in a simple and easy-to-understand manner, from budgeting tips to investment strategies. Spend with purpose. Don't buy on impulse. Evaluate each purchase by asking, "Is this moving me closer to my financial goals?" Every dollar you spend should have a purpose that aligns with your broader financial objectives. This rule encourages you to pause and think critically about your spending habits, helping you avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize your financial goals. Example: imagine a family living on a minimum wage budget. They're at the store and one of the children asks for a new video game. Instead of buying it on impulse, they consider whether this purchase aligns with their goal of saving money for a much-needed home repair. They decide to put the money into their savings account instead, planning a less expensive family game night with board games they already own. This decision not only saves money, but also reinforces the value of spending quality time together. 3. Embrace educated risk. Whether investing in stocks or starting a business, understand the risks and how to mitigate them without fear holding you back. Taking calculated risks is essential for financial growth. Educating yourself about potential risks and rewards helps you make informed decisions that can lead to profitable outcomes while minimizing potential losses. Example: consider a family living on minimum wage that is interested in starting a side business to increase their income. They decide to use a small portion of their savings to buy materials for making handcrafted goods, which they can sell online and at local markets. Before starting, they research the costs, the market demand, and the necessary skills needed to ensure their business has a good chance to succeed. This calculated risk allows them to start a potentially profitable venture with a clear understanding of the challenges involved. 4. Keep learning, keep earning. The world changes fast, and staying financially educated helps you adapt and thrive. Never stop learning about new investment strategies or financial tools. Explanation: ongoing education is a key component of financial success. As financial markets and opportunities evolve, keeping updated with new knowledge can lead to better investment decisions and increased earnings. Example: action step: attending free financial literacy workshops offered by your local community center. These classes teach about basic budgeting, the importance of saving, and an introduction to investing. By continuously seeking out new information, you can gradually begin to understand more complex financial concepts, which may eventually help you make smarter investment choices with your funds. 5. Make money work for you. Invest in assets that generate income, like real estate or stocks. It's not just about saving money, but making it grow while you sleep. Explanation: investing in assets that can generate passive income is a powerful way to build wealth. This involves putting your money into investments like stocks or real estate that can offer returns without active involvement. Example: a family decides to save a small amount each month until they can invest in a dividend-paying stock. They choose a stock from a well-established company with a history of stable dividends. Although the initial investment is modest, it starts generating income through dividends, which they reinvest to increase their holdings, demonstrating how even small investments can grow over time. Here are 2 practical tips and examples. Build and protect your credit. Good credit opens doors to favorable interest rates and financial opportunities. Manage it wisely to leverage financial benefits without the burden of high-cost debt. Explanation: maintaining good credit is crucial for financial health. It affects your ability to borrow money affordably and can influence your financial options significantly. Example: the family prioritizes paying all their bills on time, even if it's just the minimum payment. They also keep their credit card balances low and only open new credit accounts when necessary. These practices help them slowly build a strong credit score. As their credit improves, they qualify for better rates on a small business loan, which they plan to use to expand their home-based business. By following these rules, anyone can start their journey toward financial literacy, ultimately leading to financial confidence and a more secure future. Network and seek mentorship. Surround yourself with financially literate individuals who can offer guidance, share experiences, and provide feedback. A mentor or network can boost your confidence by showing you that success is achievable and offering tailored advice. Action step: join online forums, attend financial seminars, or participate in local business groups to meet like-minded individuals and potential mentors. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to continue delivering valuable content like this every week. Let's grow our financial knowledge together. Important disclaimer: Financial Independence Now is not a licensed financial advisor or brokerage entity. Our videos are designed to educate and inspire, offering general information to help you on your journey. They should not be taken as personalized financial advice.